Welcome to in this video. Today I'm going to Bihar. It's not state Bihar, but it's a village Bihar in Banjar district, Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. You can see the beautiful scenery from here. Here is my college, JDC Banjar. So I am in village Khandragi. So I'm a little bit far from my destination. My journey begins from Bali Choki to Banjar, then Banjar to Chiladhar. From Chiladhar, I got a car. I don't know who's the person, but he gives me a lift. Then he dropped me off at the Beni village. So I come from a fit Beni to here. So the point is why I'm going to Bihar. So I'm going to Bihar because I'm working with HICO, Himalayan Ecotourism, and their office and their residence is in Bihar. So I'm going to their house. Yes, I hear a voice here because here is everywhere the chadiya and jungle. So, but he's a person there. But they told me don't come alone because sometimes snow leopards and other wild animals are here, but I don't think so. The beautiful path, how I can explain it all. So I'll meet you later. So here is the mini jharna. I'm going to drink water here. So yummy here. The sound is too good. Look at the crystal water. We went to the Gushani school and gave a presentation to the student on preventing forest fire. The beautiful view of Bihar village where I could see the hills stretching far into the distance. Thank you so much for watching my video.